Hello India, Namaste. This is Atit from Collisions Automotive India LLP based out of Hyderabad, and along with me is Mr. Boguslav Rats. He's from Herkules. This is a Polish-based company based out of Bydgoszcz in Poland. And hello Mr. Rats.
Hello, Mr. Rath.
Thank you. So today we are at their facility in Poland, one of their clients' facility where you have the truck crash repair systems for cabins and frames. And I'll give you a small introduction on what all the systems we have here. Yeah. So as you see, this is a cabin which is met with an accident, and today we are working out on to repair this cabin in the most safest and the most easiest way. This is a kind of system that we are promoting. We are trying to get to the Indian market, basically to make the efforts less on the technician. And tomorrow, when your technician sees this machine, he will be the most happiest person because it will reduce your efforts on him and make your repair process the easiest possible. As you see, what I have in front of me is a cabin which is with the accident. Now we mount this cabin on this bench. So this is a bench which is called as CabMax bench. This is manufactured in Poland, and this is the most rugged bench I have ever seen in the market. Now, if you see, this bench also has different kind of indications that will help the technician to understand whether the cabin is repaired in the right way or not. And how I do it. First thing is I place this bench mounted on a grate. So this is the grate what we talk about. This grate is floor mounted, unlike the other repair processes where you have a separate lifting system. This is a system where you can mount it on the floor. And as you see, the mechanism is very simple, where I lock it and unlock it with these screws. And on this, there is a bench mounted, and above the bench is the adapters. So these are the very standard tools for this bench, and these adapters, on this you fix this bench. So as you see, this cabin is mounted on this adapters, and the repair process is done in different ways wherever the extent of damage is. With this kind of repair process, we can remove damages up to 85%. It is not 100%, but 85% of the cabins which has met with an accident, that can be repaired, restored, and with the original material. These pins are basically the positioning of this cabin. So if the pin goes inside during the repair process, it means that the cabin has come to its original position out of damage. As you see the extent of damage here, this area of the cabin is the most damaged part also in the Indian market. And if you have to remove this kind of damage in a traditional way, you have to hammer it, you have to heat it, and you have to either cut it and then replace it with the child part. Now we will be showing how best I can remove this damage without even doing any heating and without even any cutting of the materials in this area, and then removing this damage with the least effort possible. So as you see, this is a cap tower, and this is a hydraulic system that I have. Now I have connected this system to this tower, and this tower is connected to the area where the damage is. This tower comes with a 6-ton hydraulic piston, and this piston will help you to give the maximum load removal on the cabin. The foremost part here is, since this is the area of working, this is considered as the safety zone, and we are not supposed to be standing in the area of the damage. And now I do the repair. This is the pressing system of hydraulic, and then I do the operation right now. So if you also see, this is a rear mounting. So since we have cabin in different positioning systems, different cabins and different makes from the Indian market, this cabin positioning system is so flexible that I can adjust the position of the rear cabin and rear part of the cabin. And if you see, these are the flexible positions where if I have to unmount the pin, it is very simple. Put it, just unscrew it and then pull it back. And again, if I have to fix it back, I fix it and lock it. This is simple, and if you see the level adjustments here, it is also very simple mechanism, and it can be fixed. Once all the screws are fixed, it is at base or calibrated point that the cabin is mounted perfectly for a repair. overall, if you see the system, it is very simple system to install, and it is the most productive system that can help your repairs get done faster. And if you see, there's a platform. This is a grate that you see here. With this grate, it can be mounted on the floor, and it is a simple system, and it is the most productive system to repair your cabins. On an average, if you are taking around 5 to 7 days to repair a cabin, which it can be done in 1 to 2 days. So please look into our web page. You can check out for Herkules, or you can check out on the Collisions web page. And if there's any queries, you can get back to me. My name is Atit Telukunta. I am from Hyderabad, and this is the system for Indian market. Thank you.